Michael's freaking.
I just
cereal.
barely saved that. Oh my god.
Oh, should we show him the tortilla thing? Okay. Damn. So, if you're at your friend's house and they have no food, like their fridge is empty, you take, if they have if they have tortilla and cheese, you make it. Nasty.
Yeah, boy.
Take tortilla, you put the tortilla on the...
So, fuck little cheese, alright? This way. You know, there we go. And then just throw it in there.
Shut this shit and cook it for 30 freaking seconds.
And then boom, boom, blah, blah, blah. That's it. Then you wait for it to cook. That's advise this.
Knowledge.
Zoom in on that shit.
You got that? Pour some sort of fucking camera. Raw this nice, man. Boom! There!
Now eat it for the camera.
It's hot.
Eat it.
It's hot.
Eat it. It's hot. Eat it. Hot! God. Eat it! Eat it. Tequila.
Oh, you already ate. Let's say how much you eat yours, buddy.
Yeah. Eat it!
Delicious.
Yep. How does it taste, Michael?
Ooh, Ashley. I mean, what?